तू मेरा चैन है वतन, तू ही दिन है वतन।
Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh and I am a member of Team Just. We all know that right now we are facing a very hideous problem named as COVID-19. There are so many negative effects of this virus on our social life as well as our corporate life. But I'm not going to talk about that. I'm just going to talk what are the positive outcome of this lockdown. Like I always want to learn about the binary trading but didn't get the chance cause lack of timing. But right now I have enough time and I'm learning about that, like what are the platform they provide, what are the strategies they use, and is it legal or illegal in India. So I'm suggesting you guys do the same. Invest your time on those fields which you really like. And also it is not only good for me, it is also good for my family. Like most of the family members of mine is living outside of the city, but due to lockdown everyone is here and we get the chance to spend more time together and make our bond even more stronger. So it is also good for the environment, like we are seeing CO2 level is decreasing continuously, NO2 level is decreasing continuously, ozone is healing itself, and there are some other things. So in the end I just want to say, while we are panicking due to COVID-19, environment is reclaiming its space back. So thank you guys.
Hello everyone. We all know that almost whole world is suffering from a pandemic COVID-19. We have only one way to stop this COVID-19. We have to stay at home, follow the lockdown, and wait for the next decision taken by our government. You can use this quarantine mode in an effective way. The first thing that I have learned is cooking. For that, I thanks to my mom, even though I want to thanks my dad. He is also very good cook. And second thing that I'm started the online courses. I've completed 15 courses till now and got the certificate. For that, I want to thank my college that they have provided all these courses. Even though the thing is that I'm spending my great time with my families, and the good thing is that only for me. I don't know when this lockdown is going to end, but I'm definitely going to say that every day I'm gonna learn something new.
Hi everyone. We all are aware that coronavirus has created chaos all over the world. It is difficult time for us. During this difficult time of lockdown, I want to point out some positive things which I feel during this lockdown. I get time to spend with my family and rejoice old memories through the old photos, which we all don't do or get time due to busy life schedule. My bond is getting more stronger with my family. I am getting in touch with those relatives which I am not able to do in past couple of months. I with so much of time have started learning some new skills online. I also get to eat delicious food cooked by my dad again, which I get during my childhood. Pollution is getting low day by day. I can hear birds chirping in morning. I can see clearer skies and stars at night. And I can breathe a more cleaner air nowadays. Yes, it is a difficult time. We have to fight it by staying together and by staying at home and also helping the needy who needs the help during this lockdown.
I'm here to talk about the positive impact of lockdown. Firstly, I would like to talk about myself as I had spent my most of the time outside my hometown. So just because of that, I'm not able to spend quality time with my family. Just because of this lockdown, I'm able to spend a quality time with my family, and I'd learned a lot of things during this lockdown from my father. And I'm talking about my family, as my father is businessman, so he's not able to spend that much time with me and with my family. Just because of this lockdown, he is able to spend a quality time with us, and he cooked some delicious food for us. Now, talking about the impact on environment, as we had seen in the major cities of India, air pollution has been reduced, and most of the rivers in India is clean now. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am going to talk about the positive side of lockdown due to coronavirus. So I will talk as an individual, change in family and change in climate. So as an individual, since I live in village, So I am watching here the family who does not want to live in a village for a single day. Now he is enjoying the village and they loves it as a family. I were always busy in PC, mobile and many more gadgets, but I am sitting with my family and having together lunch and dinner. Since my father is a farmer, so I'm also helping to him in a field and enjoying fresh vegetable like tomato and many more. And third one, I didn't like cooking, but I'm also helping to my mother in kitchen. Changing in climate. Due to lockdown, 50% air pollution reduced in Delhi, the Ganga looking clean, and the mainly things Himalayas after 13 years it can be seen from Jalandhar in India. Thank you.